Hey YouTube, this is Albert here at Andrew Matthews Heating and Air. Just want to give you a quick video on a real estate inspection I came across today, December the 27th, 2018 on the east side of Charlotte. It is a quick video on a 2007 package unit that the potential home buyer was concerned was too old for a house that she's purchasing. And so we went and did a brief inspection, made sure that everything was working fine and that the heat exchanger was not cracked or rusted and that they wouldn't have any issues with the equipment itself. And as you watch the video, you'll see towards the very end that the ductwork, I find out, was only replaced about 3 years ago. So the ductwork's good, the equipment's from 2007, the heat exchanger's in really good shape, and water heater, other than a few things that were miscellaneous that we found that were not up to code, which was a water expansion tank after 2006, and exposed wiring on the high side of the water heater. But watch the video, like and subscribe. Now we've got a beautifully staged house. Looks like we've got, I guess we're going down in a crawl space to find that furnace, and AC is probably outside. Let's see if it's a package unit. Oh, cool. We got a full package unit, and we just got to pop in the crawl space and see the ductwork. Tank water heater. This is a 0299 Bravo 53573. So this is a 2002 Richmond water heater. T&P valve isn't plumbed to the outside. We got braided hoses with no expansion tank on the water line. We do have a cutoff, that's good. And looks like we have exposed electrical. Let's take a picture of that.
Hey, how are you?
We got a 10.
Hey, this is Wes Grant. By North Carolina law, I can't speak to this young man. I have to have your written permission in order to speak to anybody. So, if you can send me a text to my phone and sign.
This is a 45.5 capacitor. We got 45 on Hermetic. This is a 5 on the 45.5 for the fan, and we're reading 5.11. Got everything back together. There's our boxes. Looks like the ductwork's been replaced recently, at least in the last decade. Got a metal box plenum. So let's see here. This is the return. That's right below the hallway there, and then you've got a supply discharge line. Ductwork looks pretty good.